Morning guys, today's Friday, July 9th, and this is my load right here. I'm at the Richard Stockton Travel Plaza. This is on 95 South. I'm heading to Florida. I'm in New Jersey right now. So this place never has parking spots. I mean, you can see how many spots they have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8 parking spots here. They never have parking spots here at all. So this load paid me $5,000 even, and it's about 1,500 miles. So that's $333 a mile. And this is probably the first time I've ever slept in this travel plaza in an actual parking spot. Usually when I sleep here, you know, I sleep not in an official parking spot, just somewhere that says no parking. Or usually I sleep, you know, on the corner by the fence line, but on the inside. Never sleep on the outside, guys. I don't think it's safe. Like you guys can see, there's actually a trucker. So there's actually 2 trucks. There's a tanker and a dry van over there. And that's not safe at all. I wouldn't do that, because somebody can come and obviously hit those trucks. Hey guys, good morning. Today's Sunday, July 11th, and I'm parked up in Miami right now. So this is where I park, guys. It says no parking right there. You see the lines on the floor. It's actually a bus stop right there on that little curve. But today's Sunday, I'm guessing maybe there's no bus, or not really in his way too. He can still pull over. So I'm across from the Brownsville Resonance Plaza, and we're in Miami. So I gotta wait up until tomorrow. I gotta do a couple of things here, and then I'll be heading out. Hopefully grabbing 3 vehicles, getting out of here. I don't have those 3 vehicles yet, but I'll be finding it. So all right, there it is. You guys know what's up. See you guys later. Hey guys, good morning. I just woke up. I'm over here at the Pilot in Port Wentworth, in Georgia, and this place was packed, guys. Packed. Like it was packed to the brim. Oh. This is where I slept right here, and there was so many trucks here. So there's a truck in front of me, there was 1 truck here, there was another truck right there illegally parked. So there was 3 rows of trucks. You can see there's a truck right next to me here, and this place was just packed. There was 1 truck right there on that corner. These 2 trucks are, you know, illegally parked here. I mean, this place was just packed. There was actually even some trucks. What some trucks do is, I think this first station was closed, like there was yellow tape. So trucks pulled up to this station, and they were parked here. So they're blocking the exit here, as you can see. But there's nothing you can do, you know. Sometimes you gotta do this. What do you guys think of my load? The van man load. So these are actually 3 Amazon vans, and these are their return. So this is a third-party Amazon delivery service. So when you guys see these vans, they're actually Amazon, and you can see that roof is completely caved in. The side is completely destroyed right here. So I'm not gonna explain too long, but what happens is the third-party Amazon service is like you own like 10 Amazon vans, you hire the drivers, blah blah blah, they go around, they drive, they deliver the stuff, and then you return the vans, because the vans are actually rentals. So you rent the vans. Believe it or not, you only make $1,000 a month per van. So that's your profit. So if you have 10 vans, you make 10,000 a month, 120,000 a year. It's not a lot of money unless if you have a lot of vans. You gotta have like 40 vans for it to be worthwhile. I've talked to a bunch of these owners that do this because I deliver to them. So that's that service. And to apply for that, I think you go to Amazon. It's like Amazon. I forget the website. I'll try to put it in the link if I remember it. But all right, guys, I don't want to make this too long. See you guys later.